South Jose City, 10 minutes from Florianopolis. We are doing our grocery at the Atacadão. That is where you can find cheaper products, way cheaper than what we have here in Florianopolis.
And soon we are going to cross the bridge because Florianopolis is an island surrounded by beautiful beaches, and the bridge connects Florianopolis to South Jose, and soon we are going to see the bridge.
That is right, that's very exciting. And Florianopolis is a very beautiful city here in Brazil.
It's a touristic destination, and during summer the population rise to 2,500,000 people, but during winter it's just about 500,000.
Alright. Yes, and you can see a lot of tourists here, actually, from Europe, America. A lot of people are, coming here during summer because of the beautiful beaches, the food, the people. And this is one of the safest cities in Brazil, so you won't have to worry about your safety.
And you're gonna learn Portuguese when you come here, just basic Portuguese. For example, thank you. How to say thank you in Portuguese. If you are a woman, you have to say obrigada. If you are a man, you have to say obrigado.
Oh, that is right.
And good morning. How to say good morning in Portuguese? You have to say bom dia. Good afternoon. Boa tarde. Good night. Boa noite. How to say you're welcome in Brazil? It's very simple. You have to say de nada or de.
Just D.
Meaning de nada.
Yeah, it's just easy to learn Portuguese if you're really determined to learn. Wow, I think you can see the bridge now.
We are going past to the beautiful bridge.
Oh wow! Come look and see the beautiful bridge here in Florianopolis. And that bridge connects Florianopolis and what's
South
the name?
Jose.
And South Jose. Yes. Living here is actually like a dream, because
it's windy.
yes, you can experience 4 seasons here in Florianopolis.
Yes. We have summer,
yeah.
winter, spring, and autumn.
And that is right.
And we are finishing the winter because right now is September, and we're approaching now the autumn season.
Correct.
And summer will start around December. December is a beautiful, just like December, January, February. It's a very beautiful weather in
Okay, so this place is still part of Florianopolis.
But Takada
It's already part of São Jose.
So there is a small part of the countryside that is just right after the beach. But then after that it's under the area of San Jose City.
Oh wow.
São Jose is also very big.
It's also big, right?
Yes, and there's so many beautiful things.
Yes, there are also...
But the best thing is Florianopolis.
Yeah, the best city. So if you search that on the internet, you know, see if you search for the most beautiful city in Brazil, Florianopolis will come up. Yes, it's actually the #1 recommendation on the internet.
Everydad, meaning it's true. In Portuguese, Everydad.
Yes, you know, the quality of life here is really good, you know.
Also the quality of air is fresh.
The quality of air is fresh.
If you're suffering from any allergies,
That is right.
very good.
It's yeah, really good.
The fresh air and the breeze from the ocean.
True. Yeah, that is true. So if you're sensitive, or if you have like respiratory problems, then you're gonna love it here. This place is really São Jose, right?
Yes, we are approaching
Atacadão.
You can see from here the color orange in front of us.
That's already Atacadão, right? So we are here at our destination where we will do grocery, and you can see a lot of, you know, good prices. So if you live in Florianopolis and if you want to save money,
you come here.
Quality products, you just have to come here at Atacadão. You can, if you have your own car, you can use your own car. But if you don't have, you can use Uber. How much is the cost for Uber?
Because we pay for 4 people, I paid for 18 reais. But if only 2 or 3, you can pay only for 15. Sometimes only 10, depending on the day, depending on the time. Because today is raining, so we pay a little bit more.
That's cheap.
On the next video, please watch another video about the products here in Atacadão and the prices.
Correct. Please watch the next video.
And
Bye.
we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao,
Bye-bye.
ciao.